Hello everybody out there and welcome to Jelly Vision. I am Grape Jelly, yours truly, and today we are here to commemorate and celebrate International Women's Month. I'm emotional about this because I love my mom and I love all the women out there. I'm doing this straight for the women out there, the women who are out there making history for us and who have made history, who have led the way into this. And so we're going to showcase some people who are right now making history for us as a people in society and who happen to be women. So I hope you all enjoy this, and this is just for you ladies. All right, thank you. Girls Do is a movement that empowers women to do anything they put their minds to. I had the chance to witness women gardening and connecting with nature.
Enjoy yourselves, get dirty, share with the world about what it is that we do, finish that statement, and let's continue to foster sisterhood among each other. Let's go.
Women's History Month, where we take time to honor their past and present contributions in America. We get to remember how women pioneered in education, technology, science, politics, medicine, and business, to only name a few, inspiring generations after generations of women to be pursuers of their dreams by pushing down barriers and striving for greatness. Being great is in all women's DNA.
Aware of all the women who are still in silence.
The Women Democracy Network is an international women conference. Last week, cybersecurity specialist Ms. Phillips came to speak to important women from all over the world about being protected digitally.
So as mentioned, I spend some of my time on nonprofit ventures, mostly to educate our youth in business and technical skills, and then also working to get more women into cybersecurity, as we are hugely underrepresented. But you use WhatsApp, you mentioned.
We use WhatsApp. We use WhatsApp.
So you do use the internet?
Yeah, we do, but not officially. It's like individuals.
Gotcha. Interesting. I'm digesting. Case study.
A lot of our people would not have the computers, but they do have like mobile phones. Mm-hmm. So if it's an idea, yes.
Yeah. It's interesting because it's interesting because I mean, even in certain parts of America, I have an initiative in Detroit. Even in a lot of our youth don't have computers, or they don't have mobile phones. So we've been working on a way to get more computers, because there's a lot they can do on the computers that.
Yeah, so we here today with Kiescence Phillips. We're going to learn a little bit about you and what you do today on the Jelly Vision. I am Jelly. So, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Sure. So, from a career perspective,
Right.
I am a chief or deputy chief information security officer, or also known as deputy CISO for the city of New York. And I head up the threat management function for New York City Cyber Command. And what that means is we basically defend, respond, and in general protect the assets of the city of New York, and in turn the residents from cybersecurity type threats.
Nice. Okay, so why is what you do important to like the everyday normal person?
Yeah, that's a great question. I would say cybersecurity is something that touches all of our lives. Our lives are so much infused with cyberspace. Like, it's very digital focused. Almost everybody has a phone. Almost everyone is giving away a lot of data, searching on Google and typing in your information everywhere. So there's so much of your life that is online. You know, and if you don't have a digital presence, you probably don't exist, or you know, you're doing things just to ensure that you don't have a digital presence. And that's not necessarily a good or bad thing, but it's very rare that you don't have a trail of data out there.
March 11, 2019. Teachers and administrators in Maryland marched to raise money to improve schools for students, and just so happened, women seem to be leading the way.
All right, today is really about us being able to fund our schools and making sure that our teachers and staff are compensated for the amazing work that they do. And what better time than to lead this than today for Women's History Month? We have women speaking and a woman leading the system.
And I'm like,
Thanks for tuning in to the Jelly Vision. Tune in, subscribe. Oh yeah, don't forget to march for our schools. We need that money.